In this video we will explain related to SIEM what is, and if you are going to deeper into ArcSight, let's understand SIEM. So SIEM stands for Security Information and Event Management. It combines two main concepts: SIEM, Security Information Management. This focus on log storage and reporting. SIEM is a security event management. This focus on real-time monitoring and alerting. When we combine SIEM and SAM, it called SIEM. Now let's understand this with the example. Suppose firewall show suspicious incoming traffic, server show multiple login failed attempts, antivirus show malware detection. Individually, these logs may not look serious, but if they happen together, it may indicate a cyber attacks. And SIEM collects all these logs in one place and correlate them. Main function of a SIEM is a log collection, log storage, event correlation, alert generation, and reporting, compliance support. For example, if a 5 failed login attempt happened from the same IP in 1 minute, so SIEM generate alert. So basically SIEM help organization to detect a threat earlier, investigation and incident faster, maintain compliance, improve security posture. ArcSight is one such a SIEM solution, and it's having a purpose and functionality. Purpose like a SIEM solution help organization to detect, investigate and respond to security in real time, enhancing security posture and compliance. Functionality is a provide capabilities including log management, event correlation, vulnerability assessment and reporting.